Hello everyone, are you bored of going into a dull bedroom every day? Now is the time to turn your space into a cozy and peaceful haven. Your bedroom should be more than just a place to sleep. It should also be a place where you and your partner can relax and connect. If you're looking for fall bedroom decorating ideas, you can make a cozy space that shows off the season's rich colors and textures. This video has unique and warm fall bedroom decorating ideas that will help you decide whether you want to give your room a whole new look or just a few small changes. Layering ambient and task lighting lights that hang from the ceiling or on wall lamps give off a soft glow. It makes a room feel warm and cozy. Task lighting, like under cabinet lights or desk lamps, makes certain areas brighter so that you can do daily chores. When you layer these lights, you make a place that is balanced and useful. Your home looks good and works well with this mix of lights. Selecting the perfect light fixtures, you can choose from a lot of different types of light fixtures. The right lights, from modern pendants to old chandeliers, can make your room look better. Choose styles that go with the look of your home. Look at a number of sizes, types, and finishes to find the one that fits your needs and looks good. Choosing the right lights can make a room look different, so be artistic and enjoy the process. To change the look of your room, think about the lighting in your home. You can build a place that looks good and works for you. Adding depth to what you see, adding texture to your home decor gives it more depth and width. Select natural materials like stone and wood, or velvet and thick knits. These make things feel different. To keep things in order, wear them with patterns like geometric or natural ones. Think about size and balance when you mix patterns. For a striking look, mix big and small designs. That way you can show off your style, try out different colors, patterns, and textures. This method gives your idea more depth and makes it unique. Cozy bedding is everything. Good furniture can change your room and, dare we say it, your life right away. Good bedding not only makes the room look better and sets the mood for the whole room, but it can also turn your bed into a cozy haven that you won't want to leave. Set the tone for your bedroom, of course. The bed is the most noticeable thing in your bedroom, so why not make it look great? And here at Broombaz, we have unique bed pieces that can make your sleep even better. If you like frames that are really tall and have a lot of shape to them, this bed might be calling your name. It's beautiful because of its diamond design and intricate carvings. But the crown-shaped carving on top of the bed is what will really make you feel like a king or queen. Cadillac one-drawer nightstand. Some things, like cowboy boots and peanut butter, go well together. The same goes for nightstands and beds. They hold all the things we need, like our phones, tchotchkes, and maybe a lamp so we can read a book before bed. And we think they should be just as beautiful as the beds they're next to. The Cadillac one-drawer nightstand is a stylish way to finish off any luxury bedroom. It has intricate hand-carved details that make it the perfect match for any Broombaz bed frame. Put down a rug to make the floor soft after a good night's sleep. There is nothing nicer than putting your feet up on a rug. In addition to giving your feet something soft to walk on, adding a rug is one of the easiest ways to make your bedroom look and feel more stylish. Whether you like roses with pops of color or simple patterns, a high-end rug like this one can instantly pull your bedroom together and give you the soft welcome you deserve. Add some greenery. Plants can not only make your bedroom look more beautiful, but they can also help clean the air and make you feel calm. To add some color to your space, pick plants that don't need much care, like snake plants or succulents. Adding comfort, style, and usefulness to your home decor is the key to making it a cozy haven. You can make a space feel special and welcoming by carefully choosing soft lighting, layering textures, adding cozy furniture, and adding personal touches like plants and rugs. Whether you're giving your home a full makeover or just a simple refresh, every piece you choose will help create a calm and cozy atmosphere that makes it the perfect place to escape. Let your imagination run wild, follow these tips, and your home will become the dreamy place you've always wanted it to be. Don't forget to subscribe, share and comment.